So we are currently on a trail. I've got tons of mud on my shoes already. Welcome to Big Bend Canyon Trail. Over here we have the prickly pear. It's not so prickly right now. And then we have this plant over here that's pretty freaking prickly. I am currently hiking in the middle of a canyon. Yole-hoo! You know how we have history books that might go back 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 years? This history book goes back millions. If you see all those cracks, those are all different layers throughout geological time. Water keeps flowing and flowing and flowing, and eventually carves this monstrous canyon. So if I was water, I would come and just brush by this rock, right? Eventually, you create sediment. Whoa. You can see the oysters right in here. See these shells? Ooh, look at this, these little chrysalises. This is probably the coolest thing I've seen so far, is this Hulk tree. If you look closely, you can see this green bark. And then on the outside, you have pine tree bark right here. But the green is growing out of it. And the green is growing out with spikes. See these spikes? You don't want to mess with the Hulk tree. Hulk smash! It seemed like a good option at the time. They're called mud cracks. Look at this. Boop. There's more cacti. There's prickly stuff. Mud, that stuff's nasty. You don't want to get in that mud. I am going to head back down through this trail, head back to the car, and go to another one. This is Bo Green with Bo Green Adventures, and you have a wonderful, beautiful, positive day. There's cleavage, there's rocks, there's iron, there's everything a man would ever want.